Hello and welcome to another update video about Bloktopia. People panicking a little bit because Bloktopia is dropping a little bit, 10%, 11%. I've read it in the on the Twitter channel of Bloktopia, and yeah, people just shocked that it's dropping. But you know, it has gone up quite drastically, so a 10% drop is nothing unusual. And you never know when it's coming, but we had that head and shoulders here. I think I mentioned it in a previous video. And yeah, it's just consolidating, and that is not a problem. It's only coming back at the moment overall here to the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, which is at 11.3 cents. We haven't even, I think we might have touched it a few, oops, it's now I've moved the whole Fibonacci. We might have touched it here on the first, or today. We might have touched it today here, come down to that level actually, exactly. And it's not a problem. That's even still a very high retracement level. You know, we haven't even come down to the 0.5. We haven't even come down to the golden pocket, the 0.618. These are still all possibilities. I mean, here, the 0.5, that is still a realistic possibility to come down even once more to 9.3 cents. Even if I would hope that we hold 10 cents, but it is a possibility. That would take us back to that trend line here. And that trend line started here on the 28th. You know, you've got this sort of trend line here up here. I think that could be a potential retracement point together with the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. I'm not saying that we come down to that level necessarily, but I don't really see a slowdown of that downtrend at the moment. We don't see something here, but it often happened that we bounce to our level here, like the 11.3, 11.6 level. Today I think it was 11.6. It shows me here on TradingView. We touched it and then we bounced up quite quickly because it was bought up so quickly. So, you know, I'm not worried at all about that. I think it's actually good. First of all, you can buy it more cheap if you want to, if you still want to invest. I've had it so often that people ask, you know, is it too late to go into Bloktopia? Should I wait for a retracement? I mean, now you've got a retracement like that, you know. I think going forward, a lot more partners will be announced. I've just saw it on their Telegram that they've launched today. They've launched the possibility again for staking. And all of these pools, I mean, I haven't really looked into it, but I think it's related to that virtual land as well. But everything was pretty much sold out immediately. You know, after like half an hour, you know, it sold out. Tomorrow they launch new staking possibilities, but yeah, it was all sold out. So, but I haven't looked into it in detail. I've only saw the messages. It's extremely popular, and there will be new partnerships announced. I mean, it's pretty much guaranteed. I mean, I can't guarantee it, but I'm confident that they will announce new partnerships very, very shortly. I heard about a Binance listing. We know that CoinMarketCap is already partnered. CoinMarketCap belongs to Binance. So I think, you know, if you count one and one together, there, you know, it's just what it is. So I'm extremely bullish. If it comes down further, it would be good because it would set us up for further continuation. I mean, look here on the hourly. On the hourly, we come now close into the oversold territory. Down here, I mean, we're not quite there yet into oversold. In that overall uptrend, that is absolutely not a problem in my point of view. Also here on the 4-hour chart, I mean, yes, we've made a bearish cross on the MACD, but look, the MACD has never been that high before anyway. We are at such a high level that it's probably not bad if we come down. And we are still here in the bullish range on the RSI. Maybe we find support now here at the 50 line, as we did before here on the 27th of October, as we did before here on the 20th and on the 19th. I mean, here we dropped briefly. That was around the 16th and the 17th of October. But pretty much on the 4-hour chart here, throughout the whole history of that cryptocurrency, we've been on the 4-hour chart above the 50 line. As we see here on the 16th and 17th of October, it's not a problem if we briefly drop below it. So yeah, I would say, you know, maybe we could drop slightly below it, but possibly we find here support on the 50 line now. So we could drop a little bit more, but then I guess we will find support and continue our move to the upside. And on the daily, and that's what I mean, look at the daily, the RSI. We are still so much overbought here that on the daily, from that point of view, the uptrend is so strong. It's absolutely not a problem that we're retracing at the moment. So it's actually a buying opportunity for me. Maybe we come even down a little bit more. I wouldn't be surprised, you know, because we are on the dailies that much overbought, and we haven't even touched the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. and we haven't even come down to that trend line again. So this is all still possible. So I wouldn't worry. I personally don't worry anyway about that. I see the long-term potential of that project, and with long-term, I mean, you know, you can see higher prices. We will see higher prices very, very shortly again, in my view. Also, you know, you can just see even that head and shoulders, that this is actually, you know, this head and shoulders actually has the diagonal neckline anyways. It's bullish. I mean, that wasn't bullish, that was a bearish pattern, which is why we're dropping as well, because we failed to make a new high here. But again, we are in an uptrend, and it's strong. The volume is picking up all the time, and I'm excited to hear about new partnerships. And that's just my take here on Bloktopia at the moment. So people get panic, yeah, but you know, they will always ask, you know, is it too late to buy when we go up higher? So it might now actually be a good time to get in. To be honest, I don't have anything spare at the moment to go in. Otherwise I would buy the dip, and I don't want to sell other cryptos at the moment because, you know, Polkadot is going up. I don't want to sell ADA at the moment. So yeah, I'm just holding on to my other ones. I don't really want to sell anything for Block at the moment. So I'm just, yeah, I'm just waiting to get my payslip really. And yeah, it's bullish, it's good. Yeah, that's my view. Could be wrong, but that's yeah, just makes sense for me. So yeah, hopefully you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button, and if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.